Hi, I am Roland and I am the extreme digital nomad. I write code, always and everywhere. Welcome to Episode 2 of the Augmented Software Engineering Podcast. Please read the blog post that is in the description to understand what this is all about. In the last episode, we fixed our first compile time problem. In this episode, we want to use GitHub Copilot to fix a problem where the code compiles, but one of the tests fail. We also want to use Copilot to assist us develop better tests. Let's get started. We obviously have our tests here for our 99 Scala problems, and we also have the first test to find the last element of a list. Let's first check that all tests pass. Let's then break the first test and just run the first test again. As expected, we can see the test failing. And again, we can click on the light bulb and ask Copilot for help to fix the test again. The analysis is the expected value we are testing against is not correct. Let's take a look at the proposed change. That looks good. Let's accept it and run the test again. Success. The test passes again. Okay, I admit it. These are very simple examples, but for now we just want to learn what Copilot can do and how to use it. We will ask more challenging questions soon enough. Now let's go down to the for problem 6 that we want to test, if a word is a palindrome. We first need to mark the test to add it to the context. This is important. Copilot uses all open files and the whatever is marked as context. And a better and bigger context can create better results. We now ask to add another successful assertion. Note that we do not need to find a word that is a palindrome. Copilot will do that for us. Also note that you can bring up the pop-up to ask Copilot to do something at any time by hitting the Ctrl-I key. Let's accept this suggestion and run the test. Great! This works. Finally, let's try something more challenging. Let's try to turn the test into a property-based test. We mark the test again to add it to the contest. We also open the implementation to add it to the contest. We then hit Ctrl-I and ask Copilot to add a property-based test. The suggestion looks good. Let's accept it and run the test again. Fantastic. We now have a much better test for problem 6. That's it for today. We learned that you can not only use Copilot to fix compiler errors, but that it can also understand why tests fail and make suggestions how to fix them. It can also assist us to make our tests better and more comprehensive. In the next episode, we will start to looking into how to solve one of the 99 problems that is not solved yet. See you next time. And do not forget to like and subscribe.